Do you want to learn Hyper-V from scratch in just 1 hour? Do you want to take your IT career to the next level? Do you want a step-by-step introduction by an experienced Microsoft certified instructor on how to master the fundamentals of Hyper-V like virtualization and virtual machines? Do you want a solid theoretical understanding of Hyper-V as well as the practical skills to use it on the job? If this is you, I'm excited to present to you the 1-hour Hyper-V course. Your instructor for this course will be Microsoft certified instructor Pablo Mendoza. Pablo has more than 8 years of experience as a Windows professional, working for large companies like the Sega Corporation and Mobile9. The course covers all you need to know to succeed with Hyper-V. When you finish the course, you'll have gained a solid understanding of Hyper-V and its capabilities, and you'll be able to deploy and manage Hyper-V for yourself. You'll have learned server virtualization, virtual machines, integration services, hybrid checkpoints, virtual networks, and much, much more. And this course is backed by a no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee. So, are you ready to level up your IT career? If you are, just press the Buy Now button and let's get started today.